HealthBreak is sponsored by
Providence Health and Services, serving Montana.
In 2016, Providence St. Patrick Hospital began offering Nightingale Nursing Tributes to honor departed nursing brothers and sisters. Nursing Coordinator of Clinical Education, Leanna explains.
Our Nightingale Tribute is a non-religious ceremony that's offered as part of a funeral or memorial service for the departed nurse. It is conducted by an honor guard of nurses from Providence St. Patrick Hospital. We wear traditional white nursing uniforms with capes and caps. We include a homily to honor the nurse's lifetime of service as a nurse.
The ceremony also includes a poetry reading, a white rose laid upon the casket or urn, and the lighting of a Nightingale lamp, which is given to the family.
Nurses give of themselves in their patients' most difficult moments, working with families in their most difficult times and times of crisis. It requires a lot of patience, a lot of care, a lot of kindness, skill, knowledge, and that's worthy of celebration.
To find out more, visit montana.providence.org.
HealthBreak was sponsored by
Providence Health and Services, serving Montana.